Hi, how are you?
Good, mate. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry if it's a bit rough, but I'll just
Yeah.
how we go.
Okay. One second. Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah. I understand. What is your business? On the homepage, focus on the product and texture. Minimize layout. Okay. So, here, I'm searching something. For your business related. What is opening still? So, uh, maybe my network issue. I'm sending you the link. So feel free check this is related to you or not. And this is another one.
Yeah, these guys make nice. Yeah, that's
And
pretty nice looking. It doesn't need a lot of sections.
okay, so this is their basically just concept. So here, what is need, what is no need, we could add or reduce according
Yeah,
the requirement. Yeah.
cool. Yeah, like so my vision. All I wanted, like this website's just. I haven't really got an idea. It looks good enough. Unless you've got
Okay.
another idea for a website, it's pretty good. But basically, like a big
Mm-hmm.
picture at the top with a couple headings like that, and then underneath the three products.
You have only three products.
Only three. Yeah.
Okay.
If you read the brief,
Yes.
it's like three products and four sizes.
Okay. And the according to the size, the price will be changed or it will be kept the
Yeah,
same.
it will. Yeah, it's just longer sizing, so three different lengths of sheeting.
Okay. Yeah, so according to size, the price will be changed, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. And I have a question here. You said about the button, then shopping cart and the checkout,
Yep.
and okay. So here, about the credit card only,
Yeah.
uh, which payment gateway you would like to use? Like you already mentioned, PayPal don't. You no need PayPal. And if I know Stripe and the Klarna, they allow the card payment.
Yeah. I haven't looked, but I'm thinking whoever provides a cheaper fee. So Stripe, I haven't looked at their fees. Square, I might be able to use a bank merchant. Maybe PayPal's pretty high. And I
Okay.
think Apple Pay is coming into play as well. So maybe even Apple Pay.
Okay. Okay, no
Just,
problem.
just got to
That's
be just easier for someone to just make the purchase. Like, yeah, like if there's Stripe's like the merchant for the thing. I don't really know what it's called, but then there's an Apple Pay option as well. Then like it's just so easy for people.
yeah. Okay. All right. So okay. So that's no problem. The how this e-commerce functionality will work on the WordPress. Let me show you. Like let's
Yeah.
say, wait. I don't know. Suddenly, what happened on my network? It's annoying. What? Go to the.
It's hard to say. Like, yeah, whatever's very simple.
Uh, Not understand. Say please.
Like whatever's very clean and simple.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
just not this is not. And I just want to show you how the checkout and the cart will
okay.
work.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Wait, wait. Let's say this is a one of your product, and if I
Mm-hmm.
go enter the product,
Yep.
they have any product? No, they don't have right now.
It's a lot of shit on that.
It's really annoying. I'm so sorry.
That's all right.
Suddenly my okay. So here will be the option right now. It's showing in the color, but here will be your size.
Yep.
So let's say I select this price. The price will be changed automatically according to the size. And
Yep.
then if I add to cart, here will be another button to buy. So if I click, if someone click add to cart, then it will be add to basket here. Or
Yes.
if anyone click buy now, it will be redirect to exactly the checkout page. And let me show you how will be the checkout page. Okay, so it's now to cart. I'm going to the checkout.
Yep.
Okay, right now here will be as usual. If you need any reduce or add more feature, I mean the field, we could do. Like the names, company name is optional, country, state, city, district, phone number, and email. This is must be. And if they have different shipping address, they have to just click and they could put the shipping info here. If the same
Yeah.
address, then that's it. And here
Okay.
will be, yeah, here will be the product, and here will be the shipping, like uh, how we will add. You already mentioned distance, weight, something. So we have to configure from the backend, but here will be show automatically. It will calculate, and here will be show the payment gateway right now. Here it's demo. It's showing the PayPal cash on delivery, something like that. Here will
Yeah.
be show for payment gateway.
Okay. So yeah, pretty as clean as you're gonna get it for the information you need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So e-commerce functionality is clear, right?
Yeah, that's yep. That's yeah, I don't mind
Okay.
that. Yep.
Okay. Now let's talk about the designing part. You already mentioned maybe you need about us, contact us, um, home, and e-commerce pages. You need cart checkout. Then we need my account. That's it. And the product page by default from e-commerce. That's it, right?
Yeah, basically just a big picture at the top, three products, and then a way to just buy it.
Okay. On
And
the yeah, on the top, we could like this is here. This is sliding. Here we could add. Let's say here will be your three picture one by one in slide, and here we could add the name of the product. Then we can here button. After click here, they will redirect to the product page so that they could buy the product.
yeah, yep.
Okay, and then what do you say? Product structure. Okay, and the below, yeah, we could say something like call to action or something about the product.
Yeah, like a order now, but I like eh,
Yeah.
yeah, if
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the colors of that page because Gyprock's normally white. blue or red,
This
but like
color.
it's pastel, very pastel colors.
Not understand.
Like the color of the material is white, like pink or a light blue.
Okay. Okay,
Like
no
it's
problem.
yeah.
Color we could change. No problem. What color you want?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Um, for the designing idea, I can suggest you something. Let me send you the link. There is around 89 demo. I mean the template. So you can get the design idea if you like any of template. Then you can just send me the link. Like let's say, just check the design and the colors and the sections. We could customize it.
Okay.
Like yeah, like this. You want